The Cranston mayor race, that's looking hot right now. Cranston's mayor's political opponent looking to drive a car controversy to the primary day finish line.
Yeah, she held a news conference to keep this story going, as the I-Team's Brian Crandall tells us tonight. Brian?
Jean Emily Barbara Ann Fenton-Fung claims Mayor Ken Hopkins may have broken laws and ethics rules by having a car he hasn't paid for and doesn't have the paperwork for. She wants the state police, attorney general, city council, and ethics commission to investigate. It follows allegations made in a lawsuit we reported Friday, allegations the mayor denies.
This appears to be the worst form of corruption.
Barbara Ann Fenton-Fung tries to seize on Ken Hopkins being sued just days before the heated primary. The lawsuit from property owner Davide Broccoli claims Hopkins took his 1975 MG convertible 3 years ago without paying for it, then had city officials crack down on his properties. The suit includes a photo of the car allegedly with city plates on it in Hopkins' garage. Hopkins claims the lawsuit is a political hit job, days before a contentious primary over a years-long dispute. Have you had any conversations with Mr. Broccoli?
I've never met Mr. Broccoli. He could walk by me right now and I wouldn't even know it.
Hopkins' campaign claims he never drove the unregistered car with a city plate on it, and that he's only driven the car out of his garage in front of his house, though he did have it restored. Hopkins has again declined to do an interview with me, but in a new statement today, he writes, quote, "My opponent is attempting to exploit for her own political purposes a baseless lawsuit." Hopkins again states he had an agreement with Broccoli, who he says gave him the keys. Hopkins maintains he's tried to pay Broccoli over the years and get a bill of sale from him. Quote, "If there was a shred of truth to his story, why didn't Mr. Broccoli report the vehicle missing to the police?" Hopkins writes. Broccoli has also declined an interview, but has told me Hopkins' version is not true and that his lawsuit has nothing to do with the election. Hopkins writes of Fenton-Fung, quote, "I'm confident the voters see this as a pathetic, desperate act by a mean-spirited losing candidate." Do you think the timing of this lawsuit helps your effort in the primary?
Well, I think it highlights everything that we've been talking before, the constant insider deals that we've always heard. You know, it's not just this one thing.
And not to be left out, Democratic mayoral candidate Robert Ferry writes in a statement today, quote, "If the allegations of the lawsuit, as well as the unethical misuse of city employees in a personal, potentially criminal matter proves true, then the mayor should strongly consider resigning." Again, the primary is a week from today. I'm Brian Crandall, NBC 10 News.